is very easy. We have brought free computer courses for you. This initiative has been prepared by Mohammed Kashif Chauhan to provide free computer courses to the children. In this we will learn Ms. Office Complete Video Editing, Graphic Designing, Freelancing, Amazon. You will get these lectures from free computer courses. Now subscribe our channel for free computer courses and become attached with us. We are going to start computer courses very soon. If anyone wants to collect lecture from us, then he can visit our official page. If you want to take download lectures, just do us your contact on WhatsApp. If you want to learn for free, then subscribe to our channel and also like our Facebook page so that you can benefit from free computer courses. This is a very good step by Mohammed Kashif Chauhan. With this, students will be able to learn digital skills, and that too for free. You join us as soon as possible and invite your friends to join us also, because we are starting very soon. This course will be conducted for you in such a way that you will be able to get a diploma from the Board of Technical Education Lahore by appearing in the examination. Remember Allah Hafiz in your prayers.